Hey, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's review is going to be this product, which is a Tplink USB to Ethernet adapter. So let's go check it out and see how great of a product this bad boy is. All right, folks, so here we are with this device, which is a USB to Ethernet adapter. Okay, so as you can see, this has an Ethernet connection, rather Ethernet slot, where you can connect an Ethernet cable from a router to this device. That plugs in to the USB slot on your computer, and that's how you get internet connection, which is wired. Okay, now for example, my computer does have an Ethernet slot where I can just connect my Ethernet cable that goes from my router to this particular slot, and I'll have internet connection, which is wired, right? But there are some laptops, especially the latest laptops, that don't have that feature of this Ethernet. So what does this device do? It has a USB. Every laptop has a USB, but it also comes with this, which is exactly what this thing does. This comes with this too. So it saves you the hassle of, in case you're not able to get it connected to Wi-Fi, you can just use this particular plug, and you can use a flow port to connect your laptop to the internet. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that's where this one goes. It goes into USB on the laptop. I'm going to demonstrate how to connect it and how to get internet, right? So as you can see over here, if you look at next to the sound, there is an X, right here. That's an X, which means we don't have any internet connection whatsoever. Now, once this device connects to it, what it's going to do is, and once we have internet connection, it's going to look like a square, like a TV, okay, like a little square. And that's when we know we have internet connection. Okay, so let's do this. Let's connect it. I'm going to connect it to one of the USB slots that are available. It's going to beep. Now what I need to do is, I've got this I've got this Ethernet cable, and I'm going to connect. This Ethernet cable is already connected to the Ethernet port on my router, which there was a free port, so I connected it to that. And all I need to do is just hook it up to this section over here, which is the Ethernet on this device. Okay, so let's try hooking it up. So I'm just going to hook it up this way. Okay, and all I need to do is just press it nice and make it nice and firm so that it goes in. Okay, and I'm just going to push it in like so. As you can see, there's a light that comes up, which means it's receiving some connection. And did you see that? It's that kind of TV, like I said. I don't know how else to describe it, but it means that you have internet connection. And as you can see, it's going to show up here as SCD connected. The Wi-Fi is off, SCD connected, and I should be able to actually get connected to the internet almost instantly. So if I type in, let's say if I just type in google.com, and I should be able to have access to google.com. Perfect. So that's how it is. So that's what this device does. This TP-Link, I've seen other devices. I've also reviewed another device called UNI, which is Uni. That device came with USB ports on it. So there were USB ports at the side, like 1, 2, 3. But this device does not come with any USB ports. Its sole purpose is to connect you to the internet. Okay, so it only comes with this Ethernet switch, or rather this Ethernet connector, and connects directly to USB. But as there are no Ethernet, there are no USB ports, to extend your USB capabilities. If you like the USB to Ethernet port to have USBs at the side, the brand you need to buy is called UNI, which is Uni, also pronounced as Uni, or I don't know if they call it UNI, but that's the one to go for. But if your own sole purpose is to only use it for connecting via a wide connection, then TP-Link is the one to go. And testing it out, I've tested it for about several months, and the connection has never dropped. Okay, so it's very stable and it's a great product. and I would suggest this product. I would give it a 5 out of 5. But if you had to add capabilities like having USB ports here, then of course I would just give it like maybe a 3 out of 5, because you might need USB ports. So that was my review of the Tplink USB to Ethernet adapter. I hope you found that video useful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. It's 8181IT. Until next time, you take care and hope to speak to you again in my next review. Bye for now.